Hello everyone, welcome to the UX ReVamp channel today. I am going to show how I transformed the Hyderabad Water Supply Board mobile app user experience, look and feel of the app. Let's take a quick look at how the Hyderabad Metropolitan Water Supply and Sewerage Board has designed its mobile app. The old flash screen was simple but lacked engagement. It featured only the government seal and the HMWSSB logo with a URL. While it served a purpose, it didn't provide any immediate insight into services or functionality. In contrast, the new screen is more functional and informative. It opens with a clear title, HMWSSB Consumer Services, and directly lists key features like booking a water tanker, online bill payments, grievance registration, and more, making the screen visually appealing while still keeping it official. This transformation reflects a shift from a static introduction to an interactive, service-oriented interface, a step forward in digital governance and consumer convenience.
Purpose and usability comparison. Old screens. Two different screens. Yes, two. A split design that separated updates from the actual service styles. Overwhelming UI, bright, clashing colors, and too many tiny buttons on the second screen created visual clutter. Buttons were arranged in a generic format, making navigation less intuitive. Minimal guidance, no onboarding message, no helpful tips, and not even a basic public awareness banner. New screen. Unified design. Everything now lives on a single clean screen. Complaints, consumer services, and an awareness banner. Modern UI UX. Clean icons, balanced layout, and a soft color palette with plenty of white space make the interface welcoming and easy to use. A new Save Water Save Life banner adds purpose and public service value. Grouped categories. Complaints and services are neatly categorized for quicker access and smoother navigation. Key takeaway: the new screen is a major upgrade, simplifying access, elevating aesthetics, and promoting civic awareness. It transforms the app from a basic utility tool into a truly user-friendly citizen service platform. Thank you for watching video. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment. Bye everyone.